Hi, and welcome back to Here in the Workshops. Right now, what we're looking at is a veneer job that we're doing today. Now, what we had was a problem. There was a break back here behind one of the actual mouldings. This is a shape moulding that goes around there, okay, and runs down the side. The reason why you had a break there is because of the direction that the grain actually travels. Unfortunately, when the person has put this together, this is a pine backing, and then you'll have a mahogany veneer that's put over the top of it. Okay. Now, what they've done is they've put the pine backing in place so the grain's running up and down, and then they've put the mahogany veneer on it, and the mahogany veneer that they've put on it is run up and down as well. So, if you know anything about grain, when a piece breaks, it breaks along the grain. It never breaks across. So what we're going to do is we're going to change it just slightly with this beautiful piece of veneer here, okay? And instead of having the grain running up and down again like that, where there's a weak spot, we're going to do it this way, okay? So the grain runs across. Okay, it's a nice piece of movement in that, nice bit of figuring. So what will happen is we'll re-veneer this section here, and then cut out for these horns, okay? And because the grain will now be travelling in that direction on the veneer, it will act as like a little lamination, so it gives it more strength. Okay, when it's all coloured up and all running, you won't tell any difference. It will look absolutely gorgeous, as it has done and will do. And then what we'll do is we'll colour it and then we'll French polish it. Yes, we will French polish it on this particular piece because the rest of the job is French polished, and that's how it would have been when it was first made. If it was oak, then we wouldn't French polish it. We'd build up the coats of wax because oak is more provincial, and unless it gets to later dates, then it really wasn't and shouldn't be French polished, to be honest with you. And they wouldn't really have veneered it with an oak veneer on pine anyway. So, but the actual piece itself, really, really nice little piece. When it's all completed and done, it'll look fantastic. Okay, right, insight into what we do. So keep an eye out, check out our videos, Facebook, Twitter, Pinterest, all the rest of the type of gubbins. Got any questions, you know where to email us. And if you don't know where to email us, yeah, just check out all the rest of our videos, because I'm always banging on about where to email us. In the meantime, have a fantastic day. Stay safe, look after each other, love each other, and keep your hands washed, okay? I know it sounds a simple, stupid thing to do, but it's something that we have to keep on top of. In the meantime, like I said, and great big love to all the guys from the NHS, all the frontliners, police, fire service, delivery guys, cleaners, everybody, shelf stackers in supermarkets or just in our local spar up the road there. All of you guys are doing a fantastic job, and you're looking after us, so thanks very much for that, guys. Take care now. Bye.